you. And we're rolling.
And we're rolling, okay. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Look what it is. Let's see.
Whoa.
Let's see how these work.
Oh, you gotta get your boots on, I guess.
I guess. Roughly within the cut.
Oh, yeah, at least put them on that one. Oh, dear, I might have to stop and edit this video. Hold on. We are...
I'm ready. I got on my snowshoes. We're ready for Snowmageddon 2015.
That's cool. There's spikes on there and everything.
Nice. Look at that. Now we're ready for Alaska, too.
Yeah, we might as well move up there now.
What? I'll move there. I just want to see the northern lights. I thought they would be heavier.
Aluminum, I guess.
Yeah, they're not too bad, actually. They don't really feel heavy at all.
Okay.
Ready.
It's on.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I'll edit it.
Okay. Thanks, Mom and Dad.